make pancakes with me. Time for the flour. Baking powder. Sugar. Time for salt. And milk. Time to put the butter in the microwave. Time to pour the butter. And I need to do this off camera so I don't spill all over myself. Now I'm going to do the eggs. And my pancake, I like to add in a few secret ingredients. Some vanilla. Zaza. What in the world? One cup of vanilla. One small cup of coconut. Oh. Yeah. Okay, now time for the cinnamon. This one get open. There we go. Okay. Time to pour the pancakes onto the pan.
There's a big pancake, huh?
Yes, and I always do the small one. They turn out so tiny. And now I'm just going to do 12 more of those, and then we'll be done. And here's the results. Bye. Make sure to subscribe.